Good morning everyone, Newborn Investor here and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully we get some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. But before we get into today's video, if you really appreciate my live trades, show me some support by hitting the like and subscribe button. It really helps the channel. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. This week, some big names are coming out with their third quarter earnings report. That includes Tesla. I think we could get some crazy price action. Triple Q and SPY this morning, gapping up. I'm not sure whether this is a true setup. So far, on a clear uptrend, indicating strength. Maybe at market open, this could reverse quickly. So I'll not be in a hurry to jump in. I'll wait for confirmation. Today, we may get some pullback setups on SPY or SPX. We do have around 5 minutes to market open, so I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open. Watching SPY. Markets are rallying this morning. $365.97 resistance from the daily. Right now, markets are staying super strong. This is the resistance level that I have identified from the daily chart. Let's see how the first 5 minute closes. Looking good. Market staying strong. Not in a hurry here. It's approaching that resistance level. Not giving any sort of pullback. Seven minutes into market open, no trades. Adding. Out of one. Wow, what a move. No reason to sell now. It's looking to add, I didn't get it. In the money now. Up. Perfect trade, $587. I'll take it. The first contract I got out at 16.20, nearly 90 cents profit. And then the other one at 20.30, $5 profit. That was a decent exit. I knew this level, that was previous resistance, could act as support. On the pullback, I added and I just rided the wave. Really overextended to the upside. Now it has to do some sell-off before continuing higher. Look at Tesla. Heavy sell-off. That doesn't look good. Maybe the tide has reversed. Not liking this massive sell-off in just 5 minutes. And look at this candle from $21 to $17.60 now. I'll keep watching for a few more minutes, but right now I'll go ahead and pause. Very difficult now. It may try to do an EMA bounce, but I'm not interested in this setup right now. So maybe I'll try to wrap it up. Starting the week with a decent trade, I cannot complain, and I think I should wrap it up and conserve my profits. So today, just one trade. It was my favorite pullback setup. Following a breakout, I just added on the first pullback to the support and just rode the momentum. A decent day of trading, making $587 in 8 minutes of actual trading. I have no reasons to complain. As I always say, my goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent base hits and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.